Turkey teeth package deals. Everyone talks about them, but what's actually included? Because you're going to fly to Turkey for dental work, you need to know exactly what you're paying for and what's going to be extra. Let me break down everything so there are no surprises. First, let's talk about what a typical all-inclusive Turkey dental package includes. Most reputable clinics offer packages that cover way more than just the dental work. We're talking about a complete experience designed for international patients. The dental treatment itself. Obviously, this is included, whether it's veneers, implants, crowns, or a full mouth reconstruction. The price you're quoted should cover all clinical work. That means consultations, x rays, scans, the actual procedure, temporary teeth if needed, and your final permanent teeth. But here's where it gets interesting. Most packages also include your accommodation. Not some dodgy hostel. Actually, nice hotels with breakfast included, usually 5 to 7 nights depending on your treatment. Some clinics even have partnerships with specific hotels, others let you choose from a few options. Airport transportation is almost always included. They'll have a driver waiting for you in Istanbul or Antalya's airport with your name on a sign. They'll take you to your hotel, they'll pick you up for your dental appointments, they'll take you back to the airport when you're done. You don't need to worry about taxis or public transportation. Most packages include the translator or English-speaking patient coordinator. This person becomes your point of contact for everything. They'll be at your appointment to translate, they'll help you with any questions, they'll check on you at the hotel, they're basically your personal assistant for the whole trip. Many packages also include post-treatment care items, things like special toothbrushes, toothpaste, mouthwash, pain medication if needed. Some clinics even include a care package you take home with you. Now let's talk about the usual not included. Your flights. You need to book those yourself, but honestly, that gives you the flexibility to choose your dates and airline. Flights from the UK to Turkey are cheap. We're talking £60 to £150 return on budget airlines. From the US, it's a bit more expensive but still reasonable, around $400 to $700. Your meals beyond hotel breakfast usually aren't included, but food in Turkey is quite cheap. You can eat an amazing meal for £10 to £20. Even nice restaurants are affordable. Activities and sightseeing are on you. But honestly, Turkey is pretty affordable and that barely matters. A full day tour of Istanbul, including lunch, might cost you about £40. Compare that to London or New York prices. Some packages don't include certain extra procedures, things like bone grafts, sinus lift, or gum treatment. These are additional procedures beyond the basic implant work. You'll pay extra for those, but a good clinic will identify if you need these during your initial consultation when you arrive. Now, here's the thing about package prices. You'll see massive variation. Some clinics advertise packages for £3,000, others charge £8,000. What's the difference? Usually, it's the quality of materials, the experience level of the dentists, and the standard of the hotel. A £3,000 package might use mid-tier Korean implants and 3-star hotel. An £8,000 package might use premium Swiss implant and 5-star hotel. Both can be legitimate, you just need to know what you're getting. Here's what I recommend. Don't choose purely based on the lowest price. Look at what's included. Ask specific questions. What brand of implants? What type of crowns or veneers? How many nights accommodation? What star hotel? Is there any warranty? What happens if something needs adjustment or goes wrong? Let me give you a realistic example. A full set of zirconia veneers package, 16 veneers, that's your whole smile. A good package should be around £4,000 to £6,000, all inclusive. That includes the veneers, 6 nights in a 4-star hotel, all transfers, consultations, everything. In the UK, just the veneers alone would cost £16,000 to £20,000, all on 4 dental implant package. You're looking at around £6,000 to £9,000 per premium implants, hybrid zirconia teeth, accommodation, transfers, the work. In the UK, £20,000 to £30,000 minimum. Single or multiple dental implants. Packages usually start around £2,000 for 2 to 4 implants, including crowns, hotel, transfers. Every additional implant adds a few £100s. The value of these packages is insane compared to the UK and the US prices. You're literally saving enough money to take a vacation in Turkey after your dental work. Many people do exactly that. They add a few extra days to explore Istanbul and relax in Antalya. But here's my warning. Be very careful with packages that seem too cheap. If someone's offering you full mouth veneers for £1,500 all inclusive, something is wrong. Either they're using terrible materials, inexperienced dentists, or there's hidden cost you'll discover later. A deal that's too good to be true usually is. Work with someone who can explain exactly what's in your package. That's what I do. When you contact me, I'll break down every single element of your package. I work with clinics that offer fair, honest packages with quality materials and experienced dentists. No hidden fees, no surprises. What you're quoted is what you pay. If you're ready to get your customized package quote, fill out the form in the description with the details about what treatment you need, or you can WhatsApp me directly for faster response. I'll put together options for you with complete breakdowns of what's included. Let's get you to Turkey with confidence. Reach out today.